Matt Swartz, Senior Editor with Expedition Portal and Overland Journal, and today I'm in the auto capital Detroit with GMC's new Sierra AT4X pickup trucks.
A shame, think something new under the sun. You can't take back them things you already done. No, you blame things that you do on somebody else. No, but they all see is you need help.
GMC has continued to push the boundaries of luxury and performance with their trucks, and the AT4X exemplifies that. So as we walk around the truck here, I'm just going to point out some of the differences. We've got obviously new styling, new badges. We've got the redesigned front end with no grille surround. And we've also got a slightly different headlight design. Now it looks fairly similar, but if you look up close, there are some details that are new and different compared to the AT4. But then we've got some things that you can't see. We've got a new Multimatic suspension with DSSV dampers, the idea being that comfort on the road and off-road are excellent. We've also got differences at the back end of the vehicle. The AT4X does have the dual exhaust, but because it was vulnerable to damage in off-road scenarios, they have tucked it underneath the bumper, so it's actually hidden. You can't see it from the outside. The AT4X has a front and rear e-locker. This truck does have a larger transfer case skid plate, and whereas the AT4 just had the skid plate attached on the front end and it had kind of a diving board, kind of floating design, on the AT4X we're going to have the skid plate bolted on both ends for extra protection. Let's climb underneath and see what that looks like. Rounding out new features of the AT4X, we have rock sliders available from the factory. The truck also sees the addition of 50mm of travel up front and 25mm in the rear. While we're not sure exactly what we'll see in terms of payload or towing capacity updates, one thing we are certain of is that GMC has found the intersection of luxury and off-road performance. Given that the AT4 platform only recently debuted in 2019, we're really excited to see what they've got in store for us in the future.